This turbo air duster is rechargeable, and you have the USB-C to charge it up right here. They do include the USB-C cable for you to charge it, which is great. This little thing, like I said, is a beast. You've got, and I just turned it on. It's so powerful. You've got a nice little indication here of the battery level. Right now I'm at 2 out of 4, so halfway there, which is great. Now I'm going to talk about all the little added accessories, or the nozzles, I should say. But these are the accessories. You've got nice little brushes with nice bristles for a cleaning around your car, maybe around your keyboard, your desk, things like that. This works great because then you can just like dislodge little things and then use the duster. I'll be honest, I never use these because I find that the duster is powerful enough. My wife and I use it to clean out our fans, and you're going to see that in the B-roll right now. I mean, the fan, our fans around the living room gets really dusty, and this literally just dislodges the dust, makes it really easy to just clean it out, so we get a fan that is pushing clean air instead of dirty air, right? Now, the really cool thing with this, and you do have 5 different nozzles, and I'm going to show you the first one that actually is really unique, particular, something that you won't use all the time, and it's this one right here. This one will pump up those mattresses, maybe those pool toys and inflatables. That's going to be done with this. Man, it pumps them up so quickly, and that's the safe way to do it, with that kind of like needle nozzle. So I'm going to take this off. Very easy to kind of just like twist in and take them off. You've got your very powerful kind of like very directed nozzle right here. I'm going to show you, and see what I'm talking about? It is a very powerful little tool, which I think is great. And then you've got the other ones, like this one here, a little bit more, a bigger, wider mouth. Another that's got a smaller kind of mouth. And then my favorite is this one here. It's kind of like that vent, that flat mouth vent. And this is the one that we use to clean up all of our different things around the house, really. It doesn't even have to just be the car or the desk. But like, as you can see, obviously, as you saw, it's great on fans, great on computer components, great on behind the fridge, things like that, just to blow out. And then you can vacuum or just let it blow out. I use it outside, again, around the barbecue, the griddle, things that I just want to really quickly dust out. This thing is the ultimate duster.